میز الدین خان کیس وہاں سے لے کے تمام یہ نصرت بھٹو کیس اور پھر یہ ریکوڈک کیس اور سپریم کورٹ بار کیس اور یہ پھر اقامہ کیس جو ہے اور پھر یہ حدیبیہ کیس سارے لے کے آپ ہمیں یہ چارج شیٹ کرنا چاہ رہے ہیں کہ سپریم کورٹ نے ان تمام کو دیکھنے کے بعد جو کمپیٹنس نہیں تھی اس نے لا بنا دیا اور اب ہم اسے لیجیٹیمیٹ کر دیں. You want to invoke us the doctrine of necessity to legitimate this law?
No, sir. No, sir. To the contrary.
I think,
to the contrary.
I think
میں اگلی بات ذرا کنسیڈ کر لوں.
Mr. Attorney General, I think ہمیں تھوڑا سا حوصلہ رکھنا چاہیے سننے کے لیے تنقید. I don't think you use the word charge sheet.
I have not.
You are simply stating a fact, and we should have the patience to hear your submissions. Your submission is, from what you have just commenced by stating, that 184.3 may have done some very good work as well, but 184.3's consequences have also been, I don't want to use the word disastrous, but maybe not so good. So you're just stating that Parliament does not have to mention each and every case, but this is the cumulative understanding. I mean, you don't have to spell out everything. So Meeduddin Khan was not 184.3, etc., but these cases were. So you are just stating a fact, and we should be sort of have the wherewithal to accept it. I mean, we were a council at some stage, and we are judges now, and we are citizens always. So if someone is stating a historical fact to build the argument why 184.3 may have been given a right of appeal, so let us hear him with patience. And if you don't agree with that, by all means write judgments whichever you want to, but at least please continue. I mean, otherwise we'll be